Hello. My baby. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Good. Hello. Okay, I found the cat this time. So let's go. I don't know if there's enough light up here, but there are two. Whoa. I might have to carry it upstairs. Let's just do that right now. Come on, let's go. Whoa, she's crazy today. Go on. Kiki? Kiki. Come on. Come up here and I'll give you some treats or something. Baby. Baby. I love my baby. Sparky, go away. Sparky, go away. Kiki, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sparky. Hey. Kiki. Here, come here. Come here. Come sit on the toilet. Come here. Kiki. Why are you eating the door? Okay, I need to get you up on something. I can't see you from down there. Oh, it's hard to do that with one hand. Hey, Kiki. Hey. Hey. What's up? How you doing? How is you doing? She's gotta eat. Oh, you don't really need to rub on the camera. Okay, well, yeah, it's my cat. I'll make some more videos about her later.